Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Vercel with Shopify step by step clearly. To connect Vercel with Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Go to the Apps section from the left sidebar. Click on the Develop Apps link at the bottom of the page. If this is your first time, you may need to enable app development. Click on Create an App. Fill in the required fields with your app's name and email. Once created, go to the API Credentials tab. Under Admin API, click on Configure Admin API Scopes. Select the necessary permissions your Vercel app will need to interact with Shopify. Save your changes after selecting the scopes. Now, generate your API credentials by clicking Install App. Take note of the API key and API secret key for later use. Next, head over to your Vercel account. Log in or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, select New Project. Connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account if prompted. Choose the repository that contains your application. Vercel will automatically detect your project settings. In the project settings, look for the Environment Variables section. Add your Shopify API key as a new environment variable. Label it appropriately for easy identification. Also, add your Shopify API secret as another environment variable. Once both are added, click on Save. Now, you will need to create a Shopify webhook. Go back to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to Settings. Select the Webhooks section. Click on Create Webhook. Choose the event you want to trigger the webhook. Paste your Vercel endpoint URL for the webhook. Save the webhook configuration. Your Vercel project should now be set up to receive data from Shopify. Finally, test the connection by triggering the webhook event. Monitor your Vercel dashboard for incoming requests. You're now successfully connected to Shopify from Vercel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.